Evoked potential tests help doctors understand how quickly messages travel along your nerves. These tests can be a useful tool for diagnosing multiple sclerosis, particularly at the earlier stages of MS before symptoms appear. If MS has damaged myelin, the protective coating around your nerves, messages from your nerves may travel more slowly. Your brain generates electrical currents when processing information from your senses. Evoked potential tests measure the time it takes for your brain to receive signals from your eyes, ears, and skin. These signals can be detected on your head, arms, and legs using electrodes with sticky pads. In sensory tests, a mild electrical pulse is sent to your arm or leg, testing the speed of the messages sent by the nerves to the brain. In a visual evoked potential test, you will be asked to watch patterns on a screen, while the electrodes measure your brain's response. Evoked potentials help doctors pinpoint subtle nerve damage, but further testing is needed to confirm a diagnosis and rule out other possible causes of symptoms.